boys, we made it out to I think this is JDM and Euro Classics. Got a Mark IV right there, but got the car out. She was bugging me a little bit. I kept losing crank signal even on the way on the freeway a few times. So yeah, it's kind of annoying. I got to figure out what the heck is going on, but I'm losing crank signal, and I basically readjust the gap constantly, and then until I don't lose signal anymore.
This is the first cool car I've seen on it. Oh shit! V60 Polestar with blue. So that is a limited specific edition of the V60 Black.
We got some nice cars up here. Nice. I might actually come and park right here.
But it's that way, isn't it?
Honestly got here a little too late because most of the cars are leaving or have already left. That's on my part because the damn car left me stranded a couple times. A couple cool vehicles still left though. Nothing crazy. Little short, little vloggy. Just for those of you asking me where the Supra's at, I still have it. These things are always beautiful, of course. A Daihatsu. Another car you don't see that often anymore. I love these things. Mitsubishi Stereons, very nice. Super clean.
And now we got the exhaust put on a couple days on the exhaust shop.
I bought a little work truck. City's so small, you even catch your family out here working. Let's go home. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Gonna drive back home. I came a little too late. All the cars are pretty much gone already. But yeah, time to go. That's pretty much it, everybody. Got another Mark III over there, sitting in the corner. But yeah, man, it's kind of annoying losing crank signal all the time, or periodically. It's kind of annoying, but I'll fix it pretty much before I get it tuned. Who knows when the hell that would be. I know some of you guys still be asking me if I have the Supra, where's it at. I still have it. I drive it occasionally here and there, but yeah, man, time to go. Just a quick little vlog. On to the next one, guys. Peace.